Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about solo ads for affiliate marketing. We're going to go over what you should ask a solo ad provider, what kind of ad copy you should use, and then I'm going to give you 3 solo ad providers that I would recommend. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, I'm going to talk about solo ads for affiliate marketing. In case you don't know what a solo ad is, it's a email marketer that has a large email list, and you pay them a certain amount per click to send out your offer to their email list. But there's certain things that I would recommend that you ask them. The first one is if they'll allow you to use your own email swipe copy. Also find out if they have 85% top tier traffic. Those are the countries that you want to get because they are most likely to buy. They have credit cards. And you see when the last time was that they sent your offer out to their email list. And if they just sent it out more than within the last 2 to 3 weeks, that's not a provider you'd want to use right now because they'll have just heard about your offer. And you want to find out how long it will take to deliver your clicks. It should be 72 hours or less. And then you also want to ask them how much they charge per click. And if you use them a lot, or you can negotiate 20% less. But you want to keep it around $1 to $1.15 a click, because the lower cost clicks are not necessarily higher quality, and I've found that the really low cost clicks, they aren't very good. It's not very good traffic. So as far as writing your swipe copy, I would highly recommend that you do this because you want your email swipe copy to be congruent with your lead capture page, because if they get into the email and then they click on your lead capture page and it makes no sense with what the ad copy says, then you're not going to get a lot of click-through rates. So the first thing is to identify your target audience's pain, and then you're going to grab their attention by making a bold promise. Tie in your lead capture page headline as your hook. So you want to find something in the lead capture page that's going to tie it into this, and then you're going to have a call to action as the 4th thing. So this is an example. Is you're going to say something like how to finally break through online, and then the body could be something like if you're sick and tired of being stuck, overwhelmed, and frustrated. So that's their problem with trying to make money online. And this is the bold statement right here. This is the most important email you'll ever read, and I'm about to share with you. And then you put in something that's containing your lead capture page, like how newbies are making $200 to $400 per day with whatever your lead capture page is, and then click right here for instant access now, and then your name. This is a very simple formula you can use for any lead capture page, any email marketing, and I've had very, very good success using this ad copy. So an example in action here is newbies making $200 to $400 a day with this top secret letter. Are you sick and tired of the constant overwhelm, spending more than you make, and putting your dream life on hold? If so, this is the most important email you'll ever read, as I'm about to share with you how newbies who have never made a dime online are guaranteed success and are making $200 to $400 a day by sending out this secret letter. Click here for instant access now. That was an offer I used to send out, but this converted very, very well for me. So I want to share with you some solo ad providers that I would recommend. I've used these MLMleads.com. It's right here. So you can go in and you can buy local leads, real-time local leads, things like that. The second one is Wayne Crow Solo Ads, and I will leave a link in the description below the video to these solo ad providers. But you can see that he doesn't guarantee sales for top tier programs, but if you buy enough clicks, he does guarantee sales. So let's see here, like these clicks here, up to 500 clicks there's no guarantee of sales, but if you get into the like 1,000 clicks to 2,000 clicks, there is a sales guarantee here. But again, it doesn't apply to like high ticket offers. So you want to check out exactly what the guarantee is here. I will guarantee you make sales with these packages. No one else can do that. But we know our traffic. If you do not make a sale with the clicks you ordered, we will send exactly the same amount again. P.S. We do refuse some offers as they are not well constructed or are high ticket, but if your offer is proven to convert, then it will be accepted. And then he says he writes the swipe copy for you. So that's another one I would recommend. And then the last one is Traffic for Me, right here. So those would be ones that I would recommend. And the great part about solo ads as an affiliate marketer is that you can get results pretty quickly. I know the first solo ad that I sent out last fall, I got several sales from it, and then you can build off of those results. You know, if you have a YouTube channel, you could make a YouTube video about how to make $100 a day on YouTube, and then you can show your exact process of the offer that you used, the ad copy you used, the solo ad provider that you used, and do a tutorial on that. And then you can, from that video, possibly get other sales and then build off of that and just continue like that, because that's the way that you build up your following. You show social proof. So I think solo ads are a great way to get started. And then of course you're building your email list that you can market to these people down the road, because not everyone obviously buys on the first exposure. So I just wanted to share this information with you if you wanted to use solo ads for affiliate marketing. I hope you guys found some value in this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys. This is Kara Romero signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.